In Devonshire I was a keeper. Half my life I lived outdoors, using skills my father taught me on land that edged the open moors. I'd cut the snares of every poacher, rising hours before the sun. I set traps and planted cover, then drove the birds towards the gun. Master, very well, hold down, derry, derry down, above the leaves so green. Tomorrow down, down, hold down, derry, derry down, above the leaves so green. I fought in France like half this county, with all the skill I brought from home. I set traps and laid the wire till the earth grew red as Devon's own. July the 1st, 1960, we early rose, passed round the rock. The whistles blew and we broke cover and walked in a line towards the gun. Back on the land, I hired the beaters, and when the glorious 12th has come, we stand in line, we wait in silence, and walk once more towards the guns. We walk